hang up the boots at season's end. The former Brisbane skipper saying he decided last month when a mate asked him when he was finishing up.
I miss competing, I miss the victories, I miss sharing the journey with my teammates. But most of all, I miss the good wishes of the fans who make rugby league possible. Yes, I've copped criticism over the years, but I've received far more good wishes than bad. The support of fans has meant a lot to me. It's always humbling to think of the person who saves every cent to buy a ticket to watch their team. They're the foundation of this game.
The 32-year-old is expected to start at left centre in next week's season opener against the Cowboys. The number of female fireys in Queensland has dropped dramatically on the back of new physical testing. The regime includes the beep test and strength assessments meant to simulate firefighting. News Corp reporting just 2 of the last 56 recruits were women, compared to 24 of 148 last year. And tough new laws are being brought in to tackle underpayment. Queensland bosses who don't pay their staff correctly will face up to 14 years in jail. The government saying workers who take money from companies face harsh punishment, so employers should too.
Looking for the best sleep at the best price? 40 Winks are busy marking down prices for their huge blackout sale, where you'll get dramatic reductions store-wide this weekend. 40 Winks, serious about sleep.
Some drizzle coming with the chance of a storm from later this morning on the way to 31. Heading into the weekend, partly cloudy and some patchy showers around both tomorrow and Sunday, a top of 30, then 28. And next, Stav, Abby and Matt could be paying your childcare fees for a year. Listen for your name or register at hit105.com.au.
Back to Stav, Abby and Matt in 30 seconds.
Shopping, check. Kids, check. Mr. Theo. Wireless charging, Hyundai AutoLink, Smart Sense, 5-star ANCAP safety rating with 6 airbags, a panoramic sunroof, and 7 seats. Check.
With Hyundai's multi-award-winning Santa Fe, everyone can ride in ultimate luxury. Never before has there been such space and style without compromise. Hyundai Santa Fe, the SUV that's perfect for your family.
Stav, Abby and Matt want to make 2020 the year you live stress-free. 105.
Rightio, this is the year that you will not pay childcare fees. That sounds good. So good.
So good. Register. We are going to pay it for you for an entire year. Hit105.com.au. But you need to listen up for your name. So you've got to call back. 30 minutes to call back to get on the standby. It's 13 10 16.
All right, this prize worth tens of thousands of dollars. Nicole of Ripley, Chris Byrne of Regent's Park, and Hannah Elise Barrett of Flagstone. It's Hannah Elise Barrett of Flagstone, Chris Byrne of Regent's Park, and Nicole of Ripley. Nicole. 13 10 60. Call us right now. You've got 30 minutes. If you didn't hear your name there and you are registered, don't stress, because Rowan, he's going to kick off from 9 o'clock this morning. He'll be calling out names all day today as well to live stress-free. Stav, Abby and Matt with Jason Derulo now.
childcare for a whole year, live stress-free.
I was a little bit grumpy, and I wasn't looking for an argument, but I just wasn't going to run away from money.
Your Honour, trying to pick the day.
I decided to buy my dad a bottle of Coke for his birthday, and it was a little bit last minute because I forgot that it was the next day. So on Sunday night, I logged in to, I can say the place because it's a great company, Dan Murphy's, right?
Yeah.
And they do like next day delivery. You pay a little bit more. I was like, brilliant. My dad normally buys a $5 bottle of Coke for himself. He's very yeah, he can do that. And then he puts it in a little barrel that he's got and ages it.
Right. So that's like when you buy the cheap one and you've got a Penfolds bottle and you just pour that in.
Anyone wants some? He's generous with us, but he's really cheapskate with himself. So I thought, hey, it's his birthday. He just has a nice bottle of Coke. I'm going to send it to him. And then for his birthday, I gave him a call and he didn't say anything about it. I was like, okay, it's supposed to be delivered.
And you don't ever want to...
You don't want to say, excuse me, did you get your own present?
Yeah. But you do, because you still want your schnapps for getting the
Of
gift.
course I do. And it got like 4 days. And I said to her, did he get his bottle? She goes, no, I didn't. I was like, oh. So I gave a call back and I had to like log in to it. I'm like, why? It was supposed to be next day.
Yeah.
Why hadn't it been delivered?
I paid extra for next day.
Couldn't get hold of anyone, couldn't get online. And then you know what they did? They sent me an email saying, can you please rate our latest survey, our service? I thought, oh, no one answers them.
Why waste your time?
Oh, I answered it.
Oh my God.
I hadn't got the wine. The bottle of port hadn't been delivered and they wanted me to rate their service. So I called up and I got a lovely young man who was regretting his decision of rocking up to work that day.
So you didn't just fill in an online survey.
I hadn't got port, Matthew.
You rang them to give them a verbal review.
Yeah, because I couldn't...
I wasn't looking for a fight that day. I wasn't looking for a
They
fight.
started it by sending me an email. You just sent me a latest survey and I'd like to give my feedback. I still haven't got the wine. He's like, oh, sorry, we're going to take that out. So he put me on hold. I didn't know this. Yeah, I'm sorry, that's actually been lost in transit. And I went, no, I don't understand. And he goes, well, that happens quite often. And I went, no, it doesn't happen quite often. He said, but it can happen from time to time. I said, no, I'm going to stop you there.
Stop there.
Because it is poor, and that is the problem. You are delivering beautiful items. I can tell you what, my delivery items for ASOS do not go missing. The delivery driver does not try on the clothes, and if they do, they put them back in the bag and deliver them on time. They don't go missing.
Farouk doesn't want your new skirt, but he wants your sweet bottle of
What did I say? Like, Dan Murphy do such a good job every time in the store. The customers don't like that. The staff are amazing. But their delivery service, he said it needs work. And he said, but it's okay. And I said, no, you just said, to quote, it happens quite often. There needs to be an improvement on this. He said, what outcome are you after? I said, the delivery would be good. So he put me on hold. I don't say, guess what?
What?
Port was delivered in a half an hour.
Wow. You know what happened? Over the store. Ding, ding, ding. We've got another psychopathic woman on the line again. Her port did not get delivered. Please help, code red.
A bit of an issue that their wine is going missing.
Yes.
Like, my clothes don't go missing. I tell you what, I get a lot of online, and I told him how much I buy online, and it never goes missing.
I find it weird
It's
that
like a desirable item that they've just gone, oh, well, I haven't stuff to hide. No, it doesn't.
but the wine goes missing. But you did say that the ASOS stuff doesn't go missing. Sometimes the driver will try it on, but he'll put it back in, and you don't have a problem.
I said if he did, he does that.
And you don't have it.
Well, deliver the port half drunk, but at least just deliver it.
I don't care if the bottle's empty, as long as it turns up.
Anyway, so I hung up from that and once got delivered. I thought, he deserves a bit of feedback. So I gave a call back. You've done a marvellous job. You should be really proud of yourself. Because I know that I was irate and I apologise about that, and you're just doing your job and you did it very well. So it wasn't your fault that the delivery driver had obviously delivered it wrong. And thank you. I really value your feedback because I understand that you're annoyed. I said, and you did a great job.
Hangs up phone, walks directly to whiskey aisle, opens bottle, next bottle, shakes for 20 minutes.
I haven't got another survey sent out.
Oh, you will never get
You'll
another
never
one.
get
I
another
was
survey.
rated them really highly. It's just about good customer service.
The best part of that is I'm so glad you went looking for that fight.
100% came to me.
It's 16 and 9.
Hit105.
Get up to a $5,000 deposit on selected models at Volvo Cars Brisbane North. The two car nose to town on Gloucester Road at Stevens Road through South Brisbane. There's a broken down truck sitting on the Gateway extension heading northbound through Stretton. Coronation Drive yet to east from Aucklandflower to North Quay. Pacific Motorway from Green Slopes to the city. Slow 2 on the Ipswich Motorway still. Gympie Arterial Road from Linkfield Road to Beams Road, Castle Road.
Berry Highway to Carroll Park and Mount Omany to Jindalee. Want to see Australia's most exciting tile and bathroom wear range? Drop into Beaumont Tile Studio Fortitude Valley and be inspired today. That's Beaumont Tile Studio Fortitude Valley. Shop today. Another check soon on Hit105.
105's live stress-free will cover a year's worth of childcare fees. Register at hit105.com.au and listen to Stav, Abby and Matt from 7 a.m. to win Hit 105.
Need vision? If your windscreen wipers are streaking or squeaking, chances are they're due to be replaced. We can check your wipers and fit new ones for you at Super Cheap Auto. Conditions and charges apply.
Hang on to your hats, folks. It's the Motorama Ute Stampede, where you spin to win up to $2,000 in accessories. Cool! That's right. Buy any model Ute at Motorama this month, whether it's new, demo or pre-owned, and you'll spin to win up to $2,000 in vehicle accessories on the spot. Terms and conditions apply, and offers like this can't last forever, so get cracking. The Motorama Ute Stampede, Moorooka, Browns Plains and Springwood.
Automotive Homes has unveiled their premium 2020 upgrade collection. For a limited time, make the perfectly impossible choice between a $10,000 kitchen, home comfort, flooring or outdoor package at no extra cost. To get more than you ever imagined, visit atondo.com.au. Hurry, terms and conditions apply.
You bring the drama, we'll fetch the harmony. Because the Fetch Mighty Box brings you catch-up TV and recording, so your whole family can watch their favourite shows whenever they want. And, as the Fetch Mighty can record up to 6 shows at once, no one misses out. Get your Fetch Mighty Box from Optus, iiNet, Aussie Broadband, Dodo, or leading retailers. All your entertainment in one place with one simple remote. Fetch. We bring it.
Turn right. I said turn right. Wake up. Have you had your coffee? Go straight to Hungry Jack's drive-thru. Pick up a $2 medium, 100% Arabica coffee. Just $2 all day at Hungry Jack's for a limited time at participating stores. Excludes ACT delivery at Jack's Cafe.
Get your Woolies worth on thousands of prices dropped across the store. Like Woolworths lean pork mince, 500 grams, dropped to just $5.50 each.
That's why I picked Elise.
Harvey Norman Super Saturday. Sinclair 3-piece leather last week with more reclining actions, $2,699. Up to 50% off mattresses and ensembles, plus bonus delivery on purchases over $999. Covered 3 rooms from only $899. Includes installation and underlay, plus 60 months interest-free. No deposit, no interest with 60 equal monthly payments until March 2025. Minimum finance amount $1,000. Approved applicants only. Interest applies if you do not comply with terms and conditions. Conditions, fees and exclusions apply. Super Saturday at Harvey Norman.
Hi, I'm Ross Miller, General Manager at St George Bank. And have I got sensational news for homeowners? You may have heard that the cash rate has reduced to an all-time low, so we've dropped our variable home loan interest rates. And with our incredible $4,000 refinance cashback offer, there's never been a better time to review your home loan. Search St George Home Loans or ask your broker to make the move to St George.
For a limited time only. Credit criteria, fees, charges, T's and C's apply. Exclusions apply to some loan and repayment types and refinances within West Brentwood.
Stav, Abby and Matt, R&B Friday. We roll it out all day today. And Roland is calling out more names to get your childcare paid for a whole year. Stand by for that.
Stephen Hawking, Albert Einstein, these are names you consider huge intellects. Now we can add one, Matty Acton, to that list because he continues to learn every single week. He never stops.